Here we are at Tuk Tuk three-wheelers, just about to enter the parts department. Straight away you'll notice we got tyres, we got inner tubes, I think you call them interiors in the Philippines, but I call them inner tubes. We got the steering column, we got a couple of them always in stock. We've got loads of oil filters, we got more of them ordered at the minute. We got minor kits for the wheel cylinder, we got headlight bulbs, we got spark plugs, we got piston rings, we got a Bendix, we got flexible front hose, we got pistons, mud flaps, we got headlamps, we got rear lamps, both sides, left and right. As you can see there, we got bellows. Some of you call them rubber boots, but the actual name is bellows. We've got pivot pins. Here you can see we've got all the gaskets you need, the cables, handbrake cable, throttle cable, gear cables, clutch cable, every cable you want, we've got it. O-rings, oil seals, O-ring cover strainer, oil seal differential, spring brake switch, we got the dashboard switches, return spring filler brakes, brake pad kits, all the clutch parts along here, it's all the different clutch plates. And then over here we got paint. Heat resistant paint if you want to paint your exhaust pipe. This is a version of the same as WD-40. We got clear coat mirror finish to protect your paintwork. We got primer and we got oil. We stock Repsol 2040 oil, and in case you want it, we got 2050 as well. Here we got covers. If you want a cover for your TVS King, we stock them. And we have delivery of parts almost every week. So every week we're building up, we're getting more, and we're making sure we never run out of parts. We want to give you the best after sales in the country, a level of after sales what you've never been used to before, the sort of after sales that they provide in Europe. And that's what Tuk Tuk three-wheelers is all about.